Hi guys, this is functional maths, which is real life scenarios. This would possibly be on a higher paper and we would be using our calculator. So we're going to start with a classic mobile phone question. A mobile phone contract costs £18 per month, but the first 3 months are half price. How much would it cost over a year? So first of all, we're going to work out our 3 months. So we've got £18 per month at half price. So we're going to divide it by 2. So we now have £9. £9 per month. So we're now going to times that 9 by our 3 months, which gives us £27. Now we have to work out the remaining months because it wants us to work out a year. So we've got 9 months left. So we're going to do 9 months. And we know it's £18 per month. So we're going to do £18 times our remaining spelled that wrong, sorry, 9 months, which gives us a total of 162. So now we need to answer the question, how much will it cost over a year? Well, it's going to be 162 plus 27, which gives us 189. Here we go. So there's lots of parts in it. Just take it step by step, each section at a time. A coat is reduced by 25% in the sale. After the sale, a further 10% is taken off the reduced price. The original price was £64. What is the final sale price? Take it step by step. A coat is reduced by 25% in a sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort this reduction out first. And what I'm going to do is, beans I know it's reduced by 25%. I know we have 0.75 left. Okay? So I'm going to do 0.75 times 64. So we're going to go 0.75 times 64, which is our original price, equals £48. Sorted. Right, next bit. After the sale, a further 10% is taken off the reduced price. So we're going to do £48. And we're going to times it by, have a guess, 10%. If that was 0.75 and it was 25, what would 10% be? Well, it's going to be 0.90. And that gives you £43.20. So that is the final sale price, £43.20. So you've just done 2 lots of steps here. A car travels 156 miles using 24 litres of fuel. If the price of fuel is £1.52 per litre, what is the cost per mile for this journey? So the first thing we're going to do is going to work out our litres. So we've got 24 litres And we're going to times that by 1.52. Which gives us £36.48. So now we need to know, because it's 156 miles, we need to know what the cost per mile for this journey is. So like we've done with the questions before this, we're going to divide our 156 wrong way round. That should be 36, the cost at top, divided by 156 equals 0.234, and that's to 3 decimal places. Otherwise it could get a bit messy with the decimals. So that's how much it costs per mile for the journey. Okay, next one. A cinema charge is £7.50 for adults and £4.25 for children. For a group of 2 adults and 3 children, a family ticket is available for £24. What is the saving if the family ticket is used? Step 1. Let's work out how much it costs for 2 adults. So we've got 2 adults. So £7.50. And we're going to times that, which gives us £15. Now we're going to look at 3 children. So 3 children equals, how much are 3 children? Children are £4.24. That's cheap. £4.25, sorry. And we're going to times that by 3, which gives us £12.75. Okay. So, if it costs £24 normally, let's work out how much it is separately. So we've got 15 plus £12.75, which equals 27. £27.75 minus our £24, which leaves us with £3.25. So to answer the question, the saving on the family ticket is £3.25. The student scores 18 out of 25 in a test. The teacher decides to add 4 bonus marks to everyone's score. What percentage does the student now achieve? This is really easy, this one. So whenever you get a question with a maths test or any test and it says the student scores so-and-so out of so-and-so, all you're going to do is simply divide it and times it by 100. So it's the score, what it's out of, times by 100 to get the percentage. Pop that in your calculator and you'll get 88%. But I've done that wrong because I haven't read the question properly. It says a student scores 8, yes, but the teacher decides to add 4 bonus marks on. So I've forgotten to add the 4 on top of this 18, haven't I? So I'm going to do 8, so that it becomes 22 over 25. Times by 100, then it will equal 88. So always check your answers, and with these questions, read the questions properly. Don't just overlook them. Read the questions, because you can make a mistake like this and you will lose marks. A shopkeeper buys boxes of pens at £2.40 per box. Each box contains 12 pens and sells them at 30p per pen. How much profit does the shopkeeper make on 10 boxes? So we have 12 pens at £2.40 per box. He sells them at 30p per pen. So let's work out what 10 boxes are. Let's work out what 10 boxes are. So let's go with 10 boxes. And we're going to times that by £2.40, which gives us £24. So there's 10 boxes, and that means we've got 120 pens in total in those 10 boxes. So let's work out 120 pens times 30p per pen, which gives us £36. And then finally, we want to work on the profit. So the profit is, let's pop that there. £36. Subtract £24. So the profit is £12. Now you see, that can be quite a tricky question. There's lots of bits, and like I've always said before, read the question properly, get out all your key pieces of information to solve it, okay? Water flows from a tap at a rate of 2.5 litres per minute. How long will it take to fill a tank of dimensions 80 by 40 by 40 centimetres? Now it does tell us that 1 litre equals 1,000 centimetre cubed. So to do this one, we need to work out the volume, because that's what it is, isn't it? You should recognise this here as volume. And the volume obviously is times and times. So what we're going to do, we're going to work out the volume, and we're going to do 80 times 40 times 40, which gives us 128,000. So now I need to convert them into litres. We're going to divide by 1,000, and now we have 128 litres. So now let's answer the question. It's asking us how long will it take? So the water flows from the tap at a rate of 2.5 litres per minute. So we're going to do 128 divided by our 2.5, which gives us 51.2 minutes. Once again, it's reading the question, recognising that this question alone will tell you it's going to be a volume question, just the way it would say, fill a tank. You know, take to fill a tank. It's a common question. And you need to know what that looks like. That's the volume. So I've just had to cut this to blank out the final question because I've realised that it is quite a difficult, complex question. I'm going to have to use a bigger formula that I can put in those lines that I've provided. So what I think I'm going to do is a lesson on questions like that because it's a binomial or expansion and they can be a bit tricky and they don't belong in this lesson. So I have worksheets with questions like these with solutions, fully worked solutions on my website. So you're more than welcome to head over there. This video will be on there to help you along. And yeah, good luck. Bye-bye.